Welcome to Hidden Finance, where we reveal how money really works. Today, we're breaking down 7 passive income ideas that actually work in 2025. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, they're smart, proven strategies to earn while you sleep. Let's jump right in. First up, digital products. This includes ebooks, Notion templates, Excel trackers, and even AI prompts. Create once. Sell forever. People are making thousands a month with a single downloadable product. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, or Payhip handle the payments and delivery. All you do is create, upload, and promote. Second, print on demand. No inventory, no shipping. Just your design on physical products. Create designs for t-shirts, mugs, or tote bags and upload them to sites like Redbubble, Teespring, or Printful. When someone orders, the platform prints and ships it. You get a profit hands-free. Next, dividend-paying stocks. This is as passive as it gets. You invest in companies like Coca-Cola or Apple and they pay you a portion of profits, usually every quarter. Use apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, or M1 Finance to get started. Even $100 can earn you money while your stock value grows over time. Fourth, YouTube automation. It's one of the fastest growing income streams in 2025. You create faceless videos using AI voiceovers, scripts, and free stock footage. No need to appear on camera or even record your own voice. Niches like finance, tech, health, and motivation are super popular. Once your videos start getting views, they can generate ad revenue for years passively. Fifth, affiliate marketing. You recommend a product or service. If someone buys through your link, you get paid. You can do this through YouTube, a blog, or even just a simple email list. Amazon Associates, ClickBank are great places to start. One good video or blog post can earn you for years. 6, renting out assets. No house? No problem. You can rent out camera gear, your car, a storage unit, or even a parking spot. Sites like Airbnb, Turo, and Fat Llama make it easy. Minimal effort. Real returns. Some people are turning spare stuff into an extra $300 to $500 a month. Last, high-yield savings accounts and government bonds. This is the most low-risk option on this list. Right now, some savings accounts offer over 4% interest. That's free money just for letting it sit. U.S. Treasury bonds are also safer than ever with flexible options and solid returns. Not flashy, but reliable. Passive income isn't about magic. It's about systems that work for you even when you're off the clock. Pick one, take action, and let it grow. Which one will you try first? Comment below and don't forget to subscribe to Hidden Finance for weekly money strategies that work.